Size small, compatible with 6 ounces mug, 10 ounces wine tumbler, 12 ounces cooler cup, Tandem Cooler Cup, 16 ounces Tallboy Cooler Cup, and 12 ounces All Around Tumbler. Tames beverage splashes and keeps heat and cold from escaping. Easily presses into compatible products. Slides open wide enough for easy drinking and reusable straws. Dishwasher safe. BPA-Free Toxin-Free. Top reviews from the United States. It is easy to find. I need a straw. It's how I drink. Hot or cold. Coffee or water. This straw and cap is easy to find in the cupboard, with all of my collection of straws and caps to an endless supply of cups. It has turned into my favorite. It's soft. It's tall. While driving, it doesn't attack my eyes or cheek with the hardness of steel or plastic. It bends, and then pops back up to the mouth. It's perfect.